It's IBC 2023. We're in Hall 7 and we are with Limecraft. I'm joined by Joris. Hi, Joris.
Hey, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Now, we've spoken to two of your colleagues, Stuart and Martin, about the products and solutions that Limecraft offer. We're going to have a little chat about trends and what you're seeing in the industry.
Oh, interesting, yeah. Well, I think we're in an interesting time in the industry, in the media industry, actually, because they're all looking at a paradigm shift that's popping up severely, harshly, and fast. And if you think of it, there are quite some other industries in the past years that have undergone those transitions, as we see now popping up in the media industry. I mean, people are confronted with higher costs, so are looking of ways of balancing out costs while the demand for high quality product remains. The number of channels are increasing rapidly. So basically, the cost investment that you should do if you do it in a traditional way would explode. So what other industries did in the past was moving into the digitalization. You see the same thing popping up here. If you look today at IBC, you see the same.
Yeah.
You have apps, platforms, point solutions everywhere. The way we look at it is if you can bring that together and let people work together to solve that problem that a producer has or that a broadcaster has, you can really help them out, maintaining the quality of what they deliver, faster delivery, and bring it to more platforms at a reduced cost.
Yeah.
I can imagine if you are thinking about those kind of projects that companies undergo change management and transformation.
Yeah.
It's about people. If you want to be successful, it's my personal opinion that you should do that in co-creation and collaboration. Start some exploration with your people to take the first steps.
Absolutely.
People get used to it, you benefit from the result, you can tweak wherever necessary, and then you roll it out to all your workers.
Yeah.
I must say, at Limecraft we have a few very nice cases that I'm sure Martin and Stuart have been talking about, and that's the way we did it together. We love all the suppliers in the ecosystem, we really love them, we like to bring them together, so we grow together.
Yeah.
We love that.
So you can work with a customer with a problem and you can develop a solution in order to help them.
Well, if you look at that platform that we have today, it's exactly built to do that. Is that if a customer comes to us, it's always the same thing. They say, yeah, but for us it's a bit particular. We have this kind of technology.
We're special.
Yeah, we're special. And I understand that because it comes from the heart, it's the way they have built their business. But if you think of it, you have new players that are working with open source way of thinking, so where you can connect stuff together, where exchanging metadata, exchanging video, exchanging different ways of working and bringing that together really works fine.
Yeah. So you're answering the question really of people want to do more with less, but maintain the quality that they want to output.
That's exactly it. Please don't cut quality. Let's keep that. Let's keep and maintain the standards that we have built up to over the past years. It's not necessary to go down again.
No.
It's the way we organize it. We should rethink.
Yeah, and Limecraft are obviously perfectly placed to help people do that.
I can only say yes. That's all we have to do. If I see the pace in which in our roadmap we do releases, product releases and product upgrades, they're well thought out. They're well thought out together with our customers. Obviously, that's the way we want to do it, and we tend to see that it's successful. That people like that way of working.
Yeah. It's only day 2 of IBC, but can you identify something that you're hearing from a lot of customers, some either challenge or trend that they're seeing that you can help with?
If you look to larger companies, then you see that the combination between a traditional way of working that has been proven successful and exploration with new products, that connecting the people on that thinking is difficult, but is promising. If I would have been here last year or 2 years ago, then more people are testifying and saying like, we were not ready for that.
Yeah.
Now we see that people are more ready for that. They express what they think that will happen, and they're looking for ways in kind of like accelerating the ball into new solutions. Probably because the pressure from the market, the cost pressure from the market only increases.
Yeah, and that goes back to what you were saying, is developing something together in partnership and getting ideas on board during the development phase.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second thing I've heard is I was at Limecraft yesterday, I think it was. I was at the Limecraft presentation, and they were combining comparing the investment potential of the media industry with other industries, with real estate, with assets, with financial, with other tech industries. And if you just look at the possibilities there are here in value increase we can realize in just 2 to 3 years. Yeah. I mean, it's incredible. It's better than a lot of other industries. The only thing is nobody talks about it. And it was really, as I saw the graphs of Limecraft, it's like, it's incredible the number of percentages that you can realize there. Yeah. So that's an interesting take I took from there as well.
Yeah. Joris, we could talk all day about this subject. But thank you very much indeed. Where can people find out more information about the services and solutions that Limecraft offer?
2 things to do. One, go to our website, www.limecraft.com. Or secondly, just connect to us personally. We're on LinkedIn. Just give us a call, just give us an email. We like that personal connection.
Joris, thank you very much indeed. Do check out the other 2 videos we've done here on the Limecraft booth with Stuart and Martin. And for everything else, of course, that we're doing at the show, check out kitplus.com.